The sound you're hearing right now is coming from the Maono DGM20 condenser USB microphone. So I want to thank Maono for sending this out for me to check out. I definitely appreciate it. Now, I've reviewed a couple of the budget USB mics, and this form factor is one of my favorites. Now, this is your sub $50 USB microphone, and from my experience, these more budget friendly microphones have a lot to offer for the money that you want to pay. So we're going to go over some of the features of this, see how it sounds, of course, and see if there's something that you should think about getting. So first, we talk about the mic itself. It's a really lightweight design. It's all pretty much a plastic build, which you can expect from mics around in this price point. If you've seen the review that I did on the Fifine mic, that's really similar to this. I love how the RGBs looks on this. So with this mic, it has the RGBs on the front and the back. You actually can cycle through the different colors, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So you can cycle through that, and you can actually turn this off if you would want to, if you didn't want any RGBs. So I think, in my opinion, the standout feature of this mic is it has noise cancellation. So if you have any ambient noises, fans, computer fan, little humming from your computer, this mic will actually cancel that out. So I'm going to go silent for a minute so you can see what my background noise sounds like. All right, and so now I'm going to turn on the noise cancellation. And that's what it sounds like with the noise cancellation on. A really big difference. So that's really a cool feature on this. This also has a button where you can mute it. So you just tap this button at the top, and that puts it on mute. Now here on the bottom, you have your gain knob. So if you want to adjust the volume of your actual mic, you can have a quick access to it from this gain knob, which I really like. Also on the front of the mic, you can see they have a headphone jack, so you can do live monitoring directly from the headphone. You don't have to plug into your computer. You don't have to have any type of interfaces or anything like that. And when you monitor in the front of the headphones, there's no delay. There's a couple mics that I've reviewed in the past where there's a delay when you do your direct monitoring from the microphone, which will really throw you off if you're trying to record something, if you're hearing a delay in your ear. This one is really instantaneous, so definitely a really good feature on that. As far as what comes in the box, it comes with the actual mic itself, a USB Type-C to Type-C cable with an adapter on it for USB Type-A, which is really nice. I would say this cord is maybe about 4 to 5 feet, something like that. So no issues reaching the back of your computer. It also comes with an extra adapter if you want to put this on a boom arm. And I think I would recommend putting this on a boom arm because the mic stand doesn't really handling noise all that well. So you will hear it if you're trying to move this mic around. Even though it does have the built-in shock mount, it does pick up handling noise pretty noticeably. On the front, it also has your pop filter, your windscreen. Really nice, has the Maono M logo on it. Whole package of this mic looks really nice. Of course, on the built-in stand, it has a adjustment where you can swivel the mic to whatever angle you want to have it at, as you can see here. And that's pretty much it. I really like this mic. So if you have any other questions about this mic that I didn't answer in this video, drop them down in the comment section and I'll be sure to get to them. Again, I want to thank Maono for sending this out. I definitely appreciate it. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.